Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the class. Okay, for CAD class. In the previous class, I've already introduced to you some tools to perform the sketching processes. Okay, so there are some um, tools that I still have to introduce to you. Okay, today we're going to go into trim and extend the entities. Okay, let's go to the trim entities first. So if you click on the trim entities, okay, so I've already drawn a lines here to show the function of the trim and also extend. Okay, so if you can see on the part here, you have power trim, corner trim, trim away inside, trim away outside. So I'm just showing you the trim to closest. You can try on the other trims. Um, there are several methods. Okay, for example, you don't want to have the trim, the lines inside, so you can trim away inside. You don't want it to be outside, so you can trim out the outside lines, and then corner and also power trim. So you can try on this one, but as for this one, I'm going to show you the trim to closest. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on the trim entities and then click the trim to closest, and then you can just click on the part that you want to trim, so it will automatically trim. Okay, so if you are done, just click on escape. Now I want to extend the entities. So if you can see, the symbol of the extend is already there. So if you click the line here, so it will automatically extend to the closest lines together. Okay, so then that's the trim entities and also to extend entities. Now we're going to look into the sketch fillet and also sketch chamfer. So if you click on the sketch fillet, okay, so you can choose the part that you want to click the round, okay, the fillet. Okay, so if you click here, it will automatically become like this one. So how do you want to change the radius is here. Okay, let's say you want it to be 5. Okay, so then it will follow the radius. Okay, so then if you want to make a chamfer, just click and here, click the line that you want to create the chamfer, and then it will automatically create it. So let's say this one, I just leave it as 10. Okay, so enter. If you can see, it will become like this. Okay, so that's the fillet and chamfer. And then let us look into other part. Now let us go to the mirror entities. So for mirror entities, you will have to create the lines for that to be the reference for the entities to be mirror. Okay, so as for this one, I just create any shape. Okay, so let's say you want to mirror the part. So mirror entities, you just select entities to mirror, and then if you don't want it to be copy, you can unclick the copy. Okay, so meaning that this part will be deleted, only the mirror part will be published here, will be shown here. Okay, so copy, so mirror about, this one will be uh, the reference line, so enter. So then you will get the mirror of the part. Okay, so now we're going to look into the linear sketch pattern and also circular sketch pattern. Let's see the difference between linear and um, circular sketch pattern. Okay, so for example, you want to draw this circle, multiples. Okay, so let's say this will be the one that you want to create. So you want, how much is the distance apart that you want to create? Let's say 40. Enter. Okay, so the things will be 40 mm apart, or maybe too big, so I'll just make it 20. Enter. Okay, so 20. So this direction will be the correct one. So if you want it more than 2, let's say you want it to be 5. Okay, so 5 circle will be created. That's one is on the x-axis. So let's see the y-axis. So y-axis, if you want it to be 5 also. Okay, so 20 also. Create 20. And then this circle will be created. Okay, so if you're done with that one, just click enter. So if you can see, this is the linear sketch pattern. So you can multiple the drawing just by clicking that part. Okay, now let's say we want to do the circular part. So you can just create one, and then we make a circular sketch pattern. Okay, so maybe too big. Okay, 360. If you don't want 360, maybe 180. The equal spacing. What will be the diameter? Let's say 50. Enter. So how many? Let's say for this one, 4. So you don't want it to be 4, you want it to be 6. Okay. So this one is equal spacing. If you don't want equal spacing, so you can unclick and then you can recreate the part. Okay. So maybe we don't want it to be touching to each other, so I will reduce it to 40. Okay, 40 and make it 360. 360 with 12 circle. Okay. Then enter. So you're going to have this the circular pattern like this. Okay, so that's how you do the linear sketch pattern and also the circular sketch pattern.